Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This is the Unlimited Native 3D Mockup. It's a template for app presentation mainly. This is the main com and this is a commercial example and this is the bonus animation scenes. Let's go to the commercial first. By double clicking this layer, you can see the main comp of the commercial example as shown in the preview video. This is the logo animation. By double clicking, you can edit or place your own logo here. Maybe you will need another animation for your logo. Next is scene number 1. By double clicking scene number 1, we can edit the scene. All the scenes have the same structure. So here is the background image, like here, as you see, the yellow one. By double clicking this background image here, you can place your own image above this gray layer. Then this is the mask of the image. You will see that masks open and reveals the image placed in this orange layer. The image has a position keyframes. By hitting the letter P, you can see that image is moving upwards. You can change and place your own motion to your image. After placing the image here, we can edit the text, which is the green layer here. By double clicking this green layer, you can see that the text shows in text number 1 and number 2. To edit text number 1, you double click this green layer and you edit the text here. This happens because this text number 1, automatically goes here to the dark green layer so that it can change the color here. Text number 2 is very simple, just edit here. If your text number 1 is shorter or bigger than this color, you hit the letter U like this and you change the scale of this color layer here. Then it's the device, which is editable. By double clicking this red layer, you edit the device. So again, with the red layer, you can edit the placeholder. Again, the red layer here, edit placeholder here. So you place your image. This scene has two placeholders. The one is here, place image above, and the other is here, again place image above. So this scene has smartphone 1, placeholder A and B. If you want to change the speed of the reflection, you hit the letter P, so you change this keyframe here. If you like to edit the scene in terms of animation, here is the device keyframe here. So by pressing the letter P, by pressing the letter U, as you see, you change the keyframes here. So you may want this mobile to go, let's say, on the left, or you want to go from the right, or you want to have a different rotation. These keyframes are editable. That's why it's a native 3D. So again, here is the keyframes. This is the most powerful thing in this template. Here is the blue layer with the local control. If you want to change locally the colors or this depth here, you press check for local controls, and then you can change various aspects of this phone. You may want to have it as an Android switch device or like an Apple iPhone. So this is the switch device button. Maybe you like to have a different main color. This is the front color. So this can be changed. Maybe you like to have the sensors in a different color, like this. Or you like to have the sensors opacity. Maybe you want to have them more discrete, like this. Or maybe you want to have device side opacity. Look here. Let's have a lower value here, and you will see that you can see the background from here. This is the device back color. Let's go to a different frame maybe. Let's hit the letters U, see the keyframes. Maybe here is a good idea. Like this. So hitting again the blue layer. This is the device back color, which we can see it from the transparency here. Again, 100%. So the back color here. Again, device back opacity. Here is the device back opacity. Maybe you want to place, let's say, 12%. No, let's hit 25% here. As you see, the back color starts like this. I don't know, maybe someone needs that. And again, 100% here. That's a device logo color. The device logo color changes globally. So you change it once and it goes everywhere in smartphones, tablets. This is the reflection opacity, and this is the device thickness. Let's have another value here to see this, the thickness, how can be changed. And again, I remind you that this is a native and can be used locally and globally. No plugins, no Prerenders. So this was the scene number 1. I remind you that all the scenes have the same structure, so by double clicking scene number 2 you will see that you already know how to do that. This is a background image, the orange layer. This is the edit text with text number 1 and number 2. And this is the device, edit device. Again, the red layer is for the placeholders. Local controls, if you like to check and have the controls locally. So that's 7 scenes, goes like this, except this one, which has some up screens. Scene number 6, double click scene number 6, and we see here a difference, which is these edit up screens. By double clicking these edit up screens, we have 3 more placeholders. So this is 3 up screens. We have another option for 3 up screens. Version 2, we have 2 screens and 4 screens. Different setups to show your screens. So again, double click this red layer, and place image above as shown here. Same procedure like was a phone. Again, you can change keyframes here by pressing the letter U. You can change the position of these 3 screens as shown here. And finally, we go to the final screen of the example, this one. We have a tablet and a smartphone here. So nothing to be afraid. We have these 2 logos here for the Android, for the Play Store and the Apple Store. Let's have App Store and Google Play, So again, We have the tablet, which is same like the phone. Edit the device here or click to check for local controls. Edit placeholder and place your image aside. I think it's easy to use template. And the thing that makes it easier is that follows the same structure again and again. So that's a commercial example here. And let's go to this bonus animation projects, comps. So here we have some phones moving to classic moves, as most of the mockups used to showcasing the apps. So coming from the center, go to the right, go to the left, get in landscape mode, various different animations. We have some tablets here, like this, doing the same animation again. This animation can be made for you, from you. You can customize it, you can change it. It's not that you have to use it, but in case you want to, in case you are in a strict time schedule, these moves are ready. Again, this another animations with app screens here in case your customer needs. This is the 4 screens, and here are some last screen setups. Here in the left, here on the right, and finally the setup is in the center. So this is the template. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for buying, and don't forget to rate it in your download section. Thank you.